You know, nature is a very powerful thing, man. You know, everything we need is in nature. You know, right before the president of Haiti was killed, you know, he put out a remedy, pretty much a cure for COVID-19, which was ginger and cerassi, which is a Caribbean plant. You know, Jamaica and Haiti, Africa, all those places where those things are native to, has the lowest rate of COVID-19 than any places in the world.